Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamad Hassan, BSCS Section 18, FAST University student from Peshawar campus. A network topology is the arrangement in which computer system or network devices are connected to each other. Topologies may define both physical and logical aspect as the network. Both logical and physical topologies could be same or different in a same network. There are 5 types of topologies: mesh topology, bus topology, ring topology, star topology, and hybrid topology. We'll first talk about the mesh topology. In mesh topology, each and every computer is connected to every computer, and it through a dedicated point-to-point link. When we say dedicated, it means that the link carries between each system is being transferred within the two connected devices. So let's say we have n devices in the network, then each device must be connected with n minus 1 devices of the network. There are advantages of mesh topology: no data traffic issues, as there are a lot of systems and links are working. Mesh topology is secure because there is a point-to-point link, thus no authorized access is available. There is disadvantages of mesh topology: amount of wires required for the whole system is too much, so a headache for the user. Scalability issues, and as there are a lot of systems, so there are a lot of IO parts also. The next we'll talk about the star topology. In a star topology, a hub is connected between all the systems. All the systems are connected to a hub, and the hub is required for all the system to transfer link or data between two computers. So hub is the main point. Unlike mesh topology, there is no connection between all the computers. All the computers have connection through hub, a main hub. So advantages of star topology is that less wires, less IOS parts, and less expensive also, as there are so much less wires also, and a hub is required only for the transference of data. Disadvantages of star topology is that if a hub goes down, all the system goes down, and hub requires us resources and reliability for the work. The next we'll talk about the bus topology. In bus topology, there's a main cable, and all the devices are connected to the main cable through drop lines. There's a device called tab, and through which drop line is connected to the main cable. When the data is transmitted to the main cables, there's a limit of the drop lines to be connected with the main cable. Advantages of the bus topology: less wires, and if one system is disconnected, there will be no effect in another system. Disadvantages of the bus topology is that it have a fault detection, like will find difficult to detect a fault, and scalable issues because there's a limit to connect the node. The next we'll move on to the ring topology. In ring topology, each device is connected with the two other devices on either side of it. There are two dedicated point-to-point links in each device to connect with on either side of it. This ring is called a ring topology. If it's intended to send data to another device, it is being sent it in one direction. But if the intended device has to receive the data, so it has a repeater, so the repeater will send the first repeater will receive the information, then it will send to an intended device. So it doesn't have any much advantage. So it have like it's easier to install, easier to maintain, but it has a massive disadvantage that if it has a system failure, the whole system will shut down. The next and the last one, hybrid topology. It is a combination of two topologies. For example, if we mix up the mesh and star topology system, it will create a hybrid topology. It is not common as much, but it have a certain advantage that if we want topologies by our requirement, we can make it. For example, for scalability concern, we can use star topology instead of bus topology. And for the disadvantage, it have high maintenance, as the two systems are connected. It is expensive, and it have reliability issues also.